Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Quadient Finance. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in Quadient Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. Now this will lead you to a login page. Here you have to type in your email address and your password. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on register and create a new account. Now type in your email. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. Now click on login, and this is it. Following this simple step, you are now able to log in Quadient Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.